right now.
We are good to go now. It's about lunchtime, so we're gonna get going on this thing. We've been taking care of some of the finer details up on the waterfalls with just some of our weep pockets and so forth. And we'll probably go ahead and get the spillway all situated at the top there, and then hopefully get to setting some rock here a little bit later. So we're hoping to get this side of the waterfall at least up to the spillway set today, and that will kind of get us even all the way across the hillside here.
Jordan with the GoPro on his head.
We are getting all finished up here for today. Things are coming along pretty well. We got most of the hillside secured over there, and I am at the point now where we can go up on top of the hill. So a little bit of ways to go on the two waterfalls over on this side, but things should be taking shape here over the next couple days, and we will see you tomorrow. I have some detail work to do in the stream so we can get all the gravel in place, foaming, and getting everything kind of all tied up. Some lights need to go in still, and then hopefully later on today I'll be able to get the machine up on top of the hill and start grading things around and moving some rock up there. We should be able to move that guy all the way around there and up on top of the hill, and we will finish the rest of it from up there. Basically, to avoid any accidents or mishaps or anything, this thing is not the most stable. So what I've done over here is actually dug a little bit of a trench for me to work from. That way I'm not worried about the edge caving in here. So a little bit of a safety precaution here. This should give me a nice good footing to work from to set the rest of the rocks for the top of the waterfall here. And then when I'm done, I will just grade all this back out to where the trench is filled back in. Alright, well, we're finishing up here for today. We got a lot of the hillside a lot of the hillside graded off and set up the way that I need to. We didn't really set a whole lot of rocks, but tomorrow we're hoping to get the last part of the upper stream done there, and today we'll be wrapping things up around here. It is Friday. It is time to get the rest of these rocks set and get that whole hillside stabilized up there. Jordan is working on getting some edges and lights hooked up right now. Hopefully we will be on pace to get this thing finished up on Monday next week. All right, we are wrapping up here for today. We didn't quite get all the way to the top of the upper waterfall, but we are getting pretty close there. We have most of our rocks set and at least up on the hillside where I can grab it if I need to. We need a few smaller pieces just to kind of fill in some of the places that we will pick that up on Monday morning, and then we will be back here and hopefully we should have water running on Monday. It rained a little bit over the weekend and it is quite a bit cooler today, so just want to kind of get to work here, but at least the sun is out. Things are trying to dry out a little bit, and we are going to get this waterfall at least to the point where it's running today. It won't be quite all the way finished, but we are gonna see this thing finally take shape. All right, alas, we are done with the construction phase of this. Now the landscapers get to come in and do their magic. We have the waterfall up and running, fully functioning. All the lights are installed. We have an ion-gen, an automatic dosing system. You name it, it's on here. So this thing's fully souped up, and it is just time to enjoy this thing. This waterfall is finally complete. All the landscape and mulch is done. Everything is looking awesome. So I'm just gonna take you guys through this thing so you can check it all out now that everything looks finished. Well, that pretty much finishes it all up here for us now that everything is complete. Everything is landscaped, mulched, and looking awesome. As always, if you like what you see here, remember to like, share, subscribe, and drop us a comment down below. Let us know what you think about this video. We hope you guys enjoyed this as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. Turned out awesome. We will see you guys on the next one.